Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth day and night cycle in Roblox Studio using a frame-based approach. This system updates the in-game time continuously, creating a natural transition between day and night. Create a new script inside Server Scripters and name it Day-Night Cycle or something else. Let's test it out and see if it works. As you can see, this creates a smooth and continuous transition between day and night. Thanks for watching.